Hi traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. In this video I'm going to discuss gold US dollar right here, and just like yesterday I discussed with all of you that gold is completely ready for a bullish rally, and right here you can see that we saw that bullish rally today. Very nice on the flush manufacturing PMI and the services that came negative for the dollar. Obviously I was covering it, plus before that I have since last night I was completely bullish on gold US dollar all the way towards 1920 as the first level that I was looking for. And there are several trades I have. Even yesterday I gave reference of these trades to all of you right here on euro US dollar. Okay, I will be getting back to the euro dollar. So on the gold US dollar 1949 I'm completely bullish. Then from 1930 1937, okay, this is the tech, the Nasdaq. Then on the dollar yen, this is a recent one with a bigger lot, and then obviously the gold. So mainly my bigger lots, this one and this one, they were stuck for quite some time, and these are investment type of trades you all of you know. Now what's next today? Since the long-term image everyone knows about it, everyone who have seen my weekly forex forecast video, the weekend I upload on weekend, and then the other one I upload on yesterday. So today I also want to discuss the intraday and the day trading perspective, and I want to study this chart a little bit. Also I will be closing some of these positions. So right here I want to close gold, because you know why I'm closing it. There are certain reasons I'm looking for still bullish on the gold US dollar, but the market may drop. So that's why this two lots of trade I'm going to close it 4162. That's good. Then on the dollar yen I took this trade. I also want to close this one, and I also want to close this one. Now I'm left with just these positions with total balance 87,258 and equity 75,930, and one lot on the euro dollar, then two on the gold, three on the gold, and two on the euro dollar. And the story pretty much gave me very nice and perfect trade opportunities, and I'm so much thankful for it. And plus I'm also so much wishing you very good luck that you must have made good profits from right here, because since Monday and since this weekend I was predicting this move till 1920. It has got completed. Now the long-term image, and the long-term image I will get obviously once I get like this whole story. If you see on this particular chart right now, market gained very nice bullish momentum all the way from almost this was the initial signal on 18th of August 2023, and since then the market continued back up. Now when on these 3 days, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, these 3 days, what I was doing right here, because this whole picture and this whole rally I was covering all the way from right here. Most of you will know definitely from right here this recent 1884 double bottom on the H4 of gold that it gave. Even yesterday I have discussed with all this thing with all of you. Now since the long term I will discuss that on Saturday, because we have a news and the candle is not yet closed. So the weekly, obviously I will be discussing that on the weekend. Now on the H4 things are very clear to me, and if I plot my Fibonacci tool right here, I just want to delete this intraday zone right here, and I just want to focus for some time on this as a resistance, because it has been verified on the H1. Since this is a daily day trading forecast, I should say. So at this stage we have like we can say that this is an impulsive wave, but this is not completely mature. By that, what does I mean is like what I mean by that is right here, if you see 1920.60 previous resistance, market has been rejected from it. So this 1920.60 is going to be a bounce area for me, and on the retest I will be looking for further fresh opportunities to long gold, US dollar, and make profits from it. Now obviously if the breakout I didn't get tomorrow, what I am most likely going to be doing is I will be waiting for, like, there are then several levels. The first one is right here, and from 1899 and 1898.77 around, if I sum up, around 1900 zone can very nicely be taken as a day trading opportunity. But the interesting thing, and that I'm going to tell you, which is very much interesting, let me change the color of this first of all. So right here, tomorrow near 1898.77 I'm going to look for further fresh buys, and I think if the market drops, that's going to be the perfect opportunity with all of us to make some nice and sound trading decisions. Near 1898 is a bull with stops below 1882.40, around 1880 you can say. So this is one opportunity on the H4. Now moving on to the H1, and on the H1 most of you I know may be thinking about sell trades at this particular moment. So the first thing is obviously the breakout that I was referring to, the breakout should be on the H4, and if this breakout is not on the H4, then even if you get some buy opportunities towards the top side of the market, still you will be able to do that, but you just need to look for that close on the H4 of the gold US dollar. Now those traders who are looking for sell opportunities, remember I'm looking for buy opportunity right here. Okay, 1898, I'm looking for a buy opportunity, and I will be able to afford this much of stop loss. And this trade, even yesterday I have got you, gave good profits. Please do let me know in the comment section down below. There was this impulsive wave as well, which I have clearly mentioned in my videos as per that 196. Otherwise last night I said that around 500 pips it's going to move up, so 350 pips it moved, and now most of the traders, I'm looking for buy right here, so I can afford to wait for the market, because if it doesn't come back down, it will go back up and I will make profits on those other trades that I already have. Right, this is my strategy right here. If you are particularly looking for a buy opportunity, the buy opportunity should be on the close above H4, and with a proper retest above 1920.60. The take profits obviously can be towards it's clearly showing 1934 in this case. If it bounces off from right here, the next stop will be 1930.15 for this week. Okay, so now let's discuss this bearish bearish rally. Most of the traders definitely will be trying to look for sell opportunities, so let's see if realistically that is possible, and if it is possible, how that will be possible. So 1898, I'm expecting a drop. I cannot say it's coming down, because I'm expecting a drop and then a buy, and the chances are I may miss, because I'm like predicting two things right here. The market is dropping and then I'm taking a buy trade from a very good level. If let's suppose you want to take a buy from right a sell from right here, I think that still will be a little bit of complication, because right here now I am on the M15, and if you want to look for some sell opportunity, remember the sell opportunities will start, the sell zone will start if in this Asian session we get a close on the M15 and the H1. M15 and the H1 that is going to be a very nice prediction towards 1898.77, a further 157 pips of drop, and if it closes above on the H4, an up rally towards 1930, then 1947, and then the story will become so long. Right, if any questions in this, please do let me know, and make sure to watch my yesterday's long-term plan. Okay, where is the euro dollar? So it was a very nice actually start of the week, and okay, so euro US dollar started a very nice fresh impulsive wave, and you may know that last night in the same video in which I have discussed gold, this is one thing I have clearly mentioned, and those of you who like, even from right here in the weekly forex forecast from 27th of July, this was the impulsive wave with us, and that has got completed right here. Finally it has got completed a little bit, because this was a news event as well, a little bit of a drop, and successfully the market is going back up. So let's see, I'm looking for, first of all, 1.09478 is a bullish story, and then I will be looking for 1.10. but I said one thing yesterday, if this area becomes a strong support, and if this candle today, this is a very strong candle, I should say, this is a fundamental week, it can be false, but to me it visually looks like very strong, and each time I find such pattern at such levels, it gives good profits. So euro US dollar, I think, is now gone back up towards right here 1.11210, just like I said it yesterday, but right here on the H4, anyone who want to take a buy trade, well, wait for the market. If it creates a bottom right here, you will have a very smaller stop loss in that situation, and you can drag it all the way like 255 pips in the rest of the week, and maybe the week after that. So let's see. And the intraday, if I discuss with all of you on the intraday zone, well, if you want to look for further buys, that will be on the close above 1.08720. Previous Fib number is, well, 1.08715. Previous Feb number dropped very nicely, but we have got a very nice consolidation, then on the M15 a double bottom, and even then we have got a break above this zone, and the market continue back up. So this is also one possibility. Make sure to, if I get a chance tomorrow, I may be entering more buy positions near 1.08376. otherwise on the break above, a retest and the continuation towards the said zone. Okay, now the pound, the dollar, yen, here we go. Okay, on the dollar yen, things are also very interesting. Let me delete these things. Just like last night, what I have said in the weekly forex forecast video, what I have said is the market is dropping, and it dropped, and it also complete sort of this ABCD pattern is completed right here, and the market bounces off. So this is again very simple. If you want to make a short position, because I see it's dropping before the news, any drop it did, then the symposium we have on the Friday, but anyways, still 145.792, I will be looking to short it once again if the market conditions were very good. On the H1, if I see those who are interested into a buy trade opportunity, that will be on a proper breakout to 144.995, a retest, and the continuation towards 145.79 and 146.05. The overall trend that is going on bearish towards 143.5561 right here. Since I also work on the price action, the candle gives me this thing, so I have to first observe 144.898. if it is going to drop, definitely it will give me some sort of signal up there. So this was the forecast for today, tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow. I hope it will help you a lot, and a lot. Thank you so much everyone for your feedback. If I get such feedback, I will be providing you such profitable patterns, strategies, analysis, education, and everything, you name it, on my channel. This is, I consider the audience as part of the family. Thank you so much everyone. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.